I don't even know why I'm trying to come up on this video ashy. Just wash my hands. So let me go and put a little bit of lotion on and we're gonna get this thing started. What's up, my white tea homies? It's your girl Alethea coming back with another video. And in this video, I am coming at you with a review on some skincare that I have been using for a while now. And this skincare is called Your. And let me show y'all the box, baby. It's not, I had to clean this off, baby, because it has gotten plenty of love being in the bathroom. Have about two more facial washes in this. Clean and customized. There's not an overwhelming smell. It is gentle on the skin. I didn't have a reaction or anything like that. And then your second step in the daytime that you're going to use is the day cream. And this day cream does have sunscreen in there, and it actually has like drug facts: oxybenzone, octocrylene, octisalate, and avobenzone. So then the third step for the day is your serum, and it says apply 2 to 3 drops to the palm of the hand and apply to face. I really do like this serum. It doesn't give me a greasy feeling. It doesn't make it feel like there's just too much on my face. So it's really, really good. So this right here is the hydrating serum. This is a number 3 as well. This is the serum that I use at night. Someone else may want to use this serum in the daytime. It depends on your skin, but I definitely can't use this in the daytime because this is a much more oily, so to speak. So I like to put this on at night to get that hydration to my skin overnight. Get that hydration, just like I put a balm on my lips at night. I like to put this on my lips at night to get that hydration. But like I said, for me, wearing this in the daytime, if I'm gonna put on makeup, child, no, I really do like it. And like I said, for me, I can only wear it at night. And then, of course, the last thing is the night cream, and this is number 4, and it says apply a dime size of night cream all over your face. Let me tell y'all, when I first got this, I didn't realize you had to pump it up, and girl, I was around here struggling to get it open. I do wish I could do this in the bathroom, but I can't because of the lighting. So let me just show you guys what the cleanser looks like and show you guys my problem areas that I do hope this is able to help. Now, like I said, when I took the skincare evaluation, the skincare questionnaire, I did say that my problem areas were stress in my life and my pores. So I'm going to pull in close to show you guys my pores. It does have wrinkles on there, and while I am 48 years old, I do have smile lines and wrinkles. Like when I smile, you can kind of see them, but I don't just have wrinkles sitting around and all that kind of stuff. And so I'm figuring, like, why even put wrinkles on there if it's not going to do anything about it, because they're just there when I kind of smile here, you see. But other than that, they're not there. So let's come on in so y'all can see these pores. So, do y'all see them? Do y'all see them? So they're not humongous. I will say that. You see all up in there. All up in there. So they're not humongous pores, but they are there. They are prominent. So what we're going to do is I'm going to do the cleanser. It says, I think I told you guys, yeah, I've told you guys already. And you guys know with any cleanser, you have to avoid the eye area. So let me show y'all what this looks like. And then I'm going to go in the bathroom and I'm going to clean my face. Okay, it has like a green hue to it. Very clean smell. Yeah. Very clean smell. I am going to put on the, isn't that odd that the serum comes after that cleanser? So I'm going to put the cream, the day cream on. Let's see what this looks like. It's white, creamy. This is gonna be enough for my face. This also has a clean, earthy feel to it. Smell to it, I mean. Clean, earthy smell. Put a little bit more. And the day cream does have sunscreen in it and a couple of other things, because it did have on the packaging some drug information because of the sunscreen and some other ingredients in it. Okay, I ended up putting too much when I put that second pump. I'm just gonna put it on my neck because I always put my cream, my moisturizer on my neck. So I'm gonna put it on my neck as well. Do have a moisturized feel to my skin. All right, and so I really thought, and maybe I've been using my other skincare stuff incorrectly, because I really thought serum came before moisturizer. Ooh, that's thick. That is thick. I'm just gonna use that one drop. That's another thing. I've been rubbing my serums in, but I really think you're supposed to just kind of pat the serum in. So let's rock and roll. So today is December the 26th, and we're gonna use this for about 2 weeks and see how it does. And then I'm gonna come back and tell you guys. Now I am going to do tonight, I'm gonna do it in the bathroom, just gonna deal with the lighting. I am going to do the night routine in there, so I'm gonna be using this in the morning and at night just to give it a chance. The one thing I don't have with it is an eye cream, so I am gonna put my normal eye cream on my eyes, because I always put eye cream on when I clean my face. So that is what I'm going to do now. So I can tell you guys, my face does feel moisturized, feels clean, it's not dry. So I'll be back. All right, so like I told you guys earlier, I am going to attempt to do this nighttime in here in the bathroom. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, I ain't never been with a baddie. She comes, so I add it to the tally. No. Gonna get a dime size. I guess this is a dime size. As you can see, it's suds, but it's not like sudsy. Let's see on the second wash how it does. Okay, so now I'm a little confused. Maybe I did that wrong. I don't know, but the day cream has number 2 on there. And then the other serum has 3 on it. And then the night cream has 4. But this serum also has 3. So, but I'm going to put this serum on before I put the night cream. Oh. Yeah, this has a oil. Oh my God, I put too much. I am a total grease ball. Okay. I love the way my skin looks, y'all. Whenever I clean it, doesn't matter what I clean it with. I love the way my skin looks after I clean it. How do I get into this? Okay. There's nothing to get off. You just pump it and it comes up. Okay, so now I got too much of this. So let's see. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness, it feels so good on my face. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm at a spa. This stuff feels so good. Y'all, I feel like I'm at a spa. It feels so good. I mean, I'm greasy as hell, but y'all. Oh my goodness. It feels so good. Like I said, today is the 26th, and we're gonna give this stuff like 2 weeks to see if it has an effect on my face, what it does, how it feels. Well, I can tell you, it feels really good. Oh Lord. this stuff about to knock my other stuff out the box. I don't know. I'm not gonna say that yet. I'm not gonna be too presumptuous, but girl. Now, I ain't never been with a baddie. She comes so I add to the tag. Okay, so this company reached out to me in December to try out their skincare and do a review. So first of all, before I go any further, thank you, Your Skincare, for sponsoring this video. So, like I was saying, they reached out to me in December to try out this skincare line. And you guys know, I think I told you, I don't know, but if I didn't, I went through a rough patch. I've been using this longer than planned. Let me put it that way. So my plan was to use it for about 3 weeks to a month and then review it, but I've used it for longer than that. So your girl has an all the way around thorough understanding of the product, so to speak. So let me go to their website and tell you what you'll see on here. They do have where you can get a monthly plan, I think it is, or you can just get a one-time, one-stop, one-shot, whatever. But here's the website. You guys know I am not good with sharing my screen, but it says personalized skincare that just works for you. And then it says analyze your skin. You click that button and you go in there, you answer questions about your skin, and you tell the problem area that you want to work on. My problem area that I said was my pores. I wanted something that helps with my pores. There's not a product out there that you can use to close your pores, but there are products that you can use to keep your pores from getting clogged, and really good skincare, of course, helps that. So that is the main concern I had. I think I probably did put on some other things, but the main concern were my pores. So it says focused on you, easy for you, and grows with you. These products have vegan ingredients. They're paraben free, cruelty free, clean products, made in the USA. And then, well, it has free shipping on there, of course. I didn't have to worry about that because they sent it to me. So anyway, basically, to sum it up, I really do like this skincare line. I think that if you are someone that is into trying to work with your skincare, especially if you're someone that's older, because for me, going to Walmart or Target to buy skincare products is not going to work for me. I've gotten too old for that. I need some things that are going to be really good on my skin that, of course, are going to not break the bank. And I'm not going to tell you, I don't know how much these products are. I'll look to see and let you know, but I don't, because they got sent to me. And so also, I think I do have a discount code. Y'all know, I don't know why, but before I record the videos, I don't go and look to see if I have a discount code. So if I have a discount code, it'll be right here and it'll be down in the description box below. So go and check them out to get your personalized skincare products. You won't be disappointed. I promise you won't be disappointed. You guys know, if you don't know, if I don't like it, I'm not bringing it to the channel. I'm not about to come on here and do a review of something just because someone is paying me or just because someone sent it to me free. Because there have been products that I have not done a review on that I've received, and it's like, no, I'm not bringing it to my channel. I'm not about to tell somebody to go and buy this product, yada, yada, yada. But I also, at the same time, I'm not a person that wants to bash companies. So I don't come to the video and say, don't get this and all that kind of stuff. So, but anyway, at any rate, I'm about to get out of here and go ahead and go to work because I need to be there in 15 minutes. Let me show y'all my shirt. So it says #SickGood, and this is our logo for our business, me and my bestie. So this is a shirt that I custom design with one of my favorite sayings, which is #SickGood, or which is SickGood, because I get sick of so much stuff. So anyway, with all that being said, if you have not checked out my website, I mean, it doesn't have a whole lot of stuff on there, but there are some things, there are some pictures, and if you have something in mind that you want customized, girl, just reach out. Just send an email. Just send an email and I'll get back to you. So with all that being said, thank you all so much for coming back to check out another video here on the channel. Thank you to the newbies. If it's your first time here, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you'll get notified every time I come back with some new shenanigans. So, I'm gonna get out of here. So in the meantime, in the between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe, and I will do what? Catch you on the flip side. Bye!